Welcome back everybody. I'm going to teach you about an interesting property named shadow, the text shadow or the border shadow. We can apply both of them, but right now I'm just going to guide you about applying the text shadow first, then the box shadow. Well, you know that we have a box here. You can see that the div 1. If I just go to the browser and refresh now, you can see that it's pretty simple. So what I'm just doing here, I'm just typing something like the text. Okay, now refresh. Okay, it's looking perfect. So what I'm just doing more, actually I'm just adding some padding. I'm adding padding about 100 pixels and refreshing. It becomes very big. So I'm just removing its height and width. So now refresh. Now it depends only on the padding of the text. So that's why the text is in the center of the box. Looking awesome, great. If I just remove the background, the extra things, now you can see that it's looking pretty awesome because of I just only applied the padding now. So now I'm applying some more things. I'm applying the font size here. The font size I'm applying as 20 pixels. I'm just testing that if the 20 pixels will look good. So okay, otherwise okay, now it is looking perfect. So what more I'm just doing, I'm applying the text shadow for now. Text shadow. And which color do you want to apply with this? First of all, I'm just gonna apply the background. I'm just gonna change the color, simple color. I'm just applying the red one, and there I'm applying the text shadow. So there you have to put two things, the from, or actually to right or from left, and from top to bottom. Okay, so just consider to right and from bottom. Okay, to bottom. So first of all, to left, I just want to put 2px to left, to right, sorry about that, to right. Okay, and 2px again to bottom. Okay, I'm just talking about the shadow. The actual text will remain on a place, but the shadow will be placed to right 2 pixels, to bottom 2 pixels, and the color I'm just putting as black. I can put any color, whatever I prefer, so I'm just putting the black here. Refresh. Now you can see that the actual color is red. As you can see here, the actual color is red. Where is the, yeah, and to bottom and to left it's 2px. But do you want to put the 10px to left, to right, sorry, 10px to right? So I just put it 10px and refresh. Now from left to right it's 10px, because you can see that the place is changed. If I just apply it around 50 pixels, so refresh this back, and now you can see that the place has been changed a lot more. That means it's going on, and I'm just putting the 2px back and refresh. Okay, this is awesome. But do you want to apply the glow too with this text, with the text shadow? Yeah, I want to apply. So I'm just applying the 5 pixels of glow. The glow I'm adding at the very last, just before the color. So refresh. Now the text is glowing now and looking awesome. And why the text is glowing? Because I just put it the value of glowing 5 pixels. If I just put the 2 pixels, so now it's glowing but very little. Okay, if I just apply the 10 pixels, so refresh, now it's glowing very much. So the size has been, actually the font is spread too much. So now if I just put it the 5 pixels back and just put it the 0 pixels and the 0 pixels and save and refresh, now it's looking very awesome. Just why I'm just updating the font size. I'm just putting 40px, okay, instead of the 20px. So refresh. Now why it's looking beautiful? Just because I just put the 0 at the position. So actually it's really on the back, on the very back of the shadow or of the original text. Okay, 0 pixels to right and 0 pixels to bottom, and the 5 pixels glowing. So it's glowing only for now. You can put any effect. For example, if I just put the red color, instead of the red color I just put the white color. So refresh, and this is looking awesome too. Okay, so what more I just want to teach you? I just want to teach you about the box shadow for now. But before that, why not I teach you to apply multiple text shadows? Yes, we can apply the multiples. So I'm just putting 2px here, 2px, and adding a comma. First of all, just see this, refresh, and just make it actually remove this one. Okay, I'm not putting the shadow for now, the glow for now. Okay, only 2px and 2px. Okay, awesome. I'm just applying the 5 and 5 now. 5px, refresh. Okay, looking perfect. So then just add a comma and put the 7px, 7px, oh yeah, 7px, and the color is red. Save and refresh. Now you can see that the multiple effects, and in the same way I can apply more. I'm applying the 9px, 9px, okay, and the color is blue. I can apply any color, you know. Save and go to the browser and refresh. Now the blue color has been applied too. So basically we just applied 3 colors here. I'm just going back 0 0 0 0 and 0 and 0, or why not I just make a new one, because this should be here to just help you, the div2 and duplicate, and this should be div2 again. And for now I'm just putting 0 only, 0 0, oh sorry about that, remove this space here, 0 and 0 and 0. Okay, awesome. I'm putting the 5px, first of all the 2px for the first shadow, the 4px and the 6px for now. I'll just check if it will good look. Refresh. Now the multiple shadows, but it's not looking really awesome. So the 5px for the first, and the 7px and the 9px. Save and refresh. Now you can see that the multiple shadows, okay, here, and it's feeling actually and looking really cool. In the same way we can apply the box shadow too. So what I just need to do, I just need to go back, zoom out, and just go there and I'm applying the box shadow with the div1. So first of all, put the value of box shadow and do almost same. I'm just typing here the 5px and 5px, and I'm not putting the glow now. I'm just simply putting the color. I'm just putting as the red for now. Save and go to the browser and refresh. Now it has the red color as the border. Awesome. I'm applying the 5px as the, you know, the glow. So refresh. Okay, it's glowing a little bit. If I just apply the 20 pixels, so it will glow more. Okay, looking perfect. What more I need? I'm just going back to the notepad and simply copying this one, the box shadow, and applying to the div2. But for the div2 I'm just putting the 0px and the 0px again, only the 0. When you're putting the 0 as value, so you just don't need to put the px. It's okay with the 0 only, just to teach you. Okay, now save and refresh. Now you can see the difference between these, both of them. Actually you can see that it has a little dark, but not from the left side or the top side, but it's actually on every corner of this box. But in some cases you just want to apply the effect on the bottom only. So what I'm just doing, I'm just duplicating this one, and what next I'm doing, the div3, and simply copying and just making the div3. Okay, and as the background color I'm just putting the white for now, the div3. Save and refresh. Now the white color, and I'm removing the border for now. Okay, I'm just thinking about creating something really interesting. I just removed the border. Okay, awesome. What more I need? I just need to change the background, the shadow color. I'm just putting the silver instead of the red. Okay, this is looking something really cool. Or you can see this effect multiple times in the web page, in any web page. By the way, the thing is, I'm removing the shadow from the top. So what I'm just doing, I'm just typing 4px instead of 0 and refresh. Now you can see that it's on the 0 for now. So in this way you can create something really interesting. And do you want to learn one more interesting thing? If I just go there and duplicate the div3 to div4 and just copy the div3 and apply as div4. Okay, so basically you know that if I just refresh, okay, the same effect I got here, but actually here we are just applying, I'm just applying the box shadow. I'm just adding any space just after the color and typing in set, okay, the outset or the inside. Now because I just applied the inset, you can see that all these effects are going inside of the box and looking awesome. Yes, you can do this one too. And this is the shadow chapter, which is about to ending. You just need to try and practice, and we'll meet in the next class. So guys, stay